Hi everyone, myself Dr. Basudev Basnet, prosthologist and implantologist. So today in this video we are going to talk about dental crowns. So first let's understand what are dental crowns. Dental crowns are a fitted cap that are placed on the damaged or decayed tooth. So why are dental crowns required? So dental crowns are required to restore the badly damaged or decayed tooth. It is also used to protect the tooth after a root canal treatment, and it is also used to place on the abutments of the dental implants. So basically there are different type of dental crowns that are available, and this can be all metal crowns, metal ceramic crowns, all ceramic crowns, and even zirconia crowns and emax crowns. So now let's understand briefly about the different types of dental crowns. So first is the all metal crowns. So basically, as the name suggests, these are the crowns that are fully made up of metal. So basically the cobalt, chromium alloys are used, and different type of alloys are used in this type of crown. So it is mainly used for the back tooth, and nowadays these type of crowns are not used widely because of its poor aesthetics. The another type of crown is a metal ceramic crown. So in this type of crown, the inner portion is of metal and the outside portion there is a covering of ceramic. So these type of crowns are widely used because it has got a strength of metal and also it gives aesthetics with the help of ceramics. So but still, on comparison with the all ceramic crowns and the advancement of the crowns that are zirconia and emax crown, these crowns are also not so widely used because of the advancement of different type of crowns. So the next one is all ceramic crowns. So all ceramic crowns, as the name suggests, it is made of fully of the ceramic material. It is basically metal free. So this type of crowns are used for aesthetics purpose, and it is mostly used for the restoration of front tooth and also sometimes used for the restoration of the posterior tooth. But yeah, still on comparison with the zirconia and the emax crowns, which are the recent advances, this type of crowns are also not so widely used. So now comes the two types of crowns which are most widely used. These are zirconia crowns and the emax crown. So basically the advantages of this type of crowns are zirconia crowns are good in strength and it is also good in aesthetics as well. So it is used for the restoration of anterior tooth, the front tooth, and also for the back tooth. So this type of tooth are metal. This type of crowns are metal free. It is biocompatible and it provides good strength along with good aesthetics as well. So the another advancement of crown are emax crowns. So basically emax crowns are made up of lithium disilicate material, and these are translucent materials, so it gives very nice aesthetics on the restoration of the front tooth. So this type of crowns are mostly used for the restoration of front tooth, and it provides a beautiful aesthetics and it matches well with the shades of the natural tooth. So basically the zirconia crowns and the emax crowns are most widely used, and even we suggest all of you to go for this type of crowns because this type of crowns are good in strength and they are good in aesthetics, and it can provide all the requirements that we need for a beautiful smile. So these were all about the different type of crowns. I hope now you can choose the better option. Still you can discuss with the dentist properly what type of crown would be best suitable in your condition, and you can go ahead by choosing the best option. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. It was informative. So please do like, comment and share this with your friends. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video.